Sharp minds and astute observations, mastering subtle English phrases. Hello, and welcome back to our journey through the English language. Today, we're diving into two powerful and often interchangeable words, sharp and astute. Both are used to describe keen intelligence or perceptiveness, but they carry their unique nuances. Understanding these subtleties can not only enhance your vocabulary but also sharpen your comprehension skills. So, let's get started. The word sharp can be likened to a double-edged sword. It's versatile and dynamic. Predominantly, when we describe someone as sharp, we're referring to their ability to grasp and understand things quickly. It's not just about intelligence. It's about the speed and precision with which they think or react. For instance, a sharp student quickly understands complex concepts. A sharp remark is quick and clever, often catching others off guard. In essence, sharpness is about being quick-witted and alert. Moving on to astute, this word takes us into the realm of shrewdness and keen judgment. Being astute is not just about being smart. It's about being perceptive and able to understand situations in a way that is insightful and often advantageous. Consider these examples. An astute businessman can foresee market trends and make profitable decisions. An astute observation is one that reveals deep understanding and keen insight. Astuteness combines intelligence with practicality and insight, making it a trait of strategic thinkers and savvy individuals. While both sharp and astute are complements, their usage depends on the context. Sharp often refers to intellectual agility, whereas astute emphasizes wisdom and the ability to make good judgments. Here's how to use them. Use sharp when highlighting someone's mental quickness or an incisive comment. Opt for astute when applauding someone's deep understanding, insight, or strategic thinking. Understanding the subtle differences can add depth to your conversations and writing. Today, we've unraveled the layers behind sharp and astute. Remember, language is not just about words, but the worlds they open up. Each word carries its unique shade of meaning, and mastering these nuances can make your communication as sharp and astute as your thoughts. Keep practicing, and you'll soon wield these words with the precision of a skilled linguist. Until our next lesson, keep learning and stay curious.